Hello. So let's start our lectures on macroeconomics and monetary policy. Before going to the discussion of the first topic, which is money in the economy, I would like to remind you the main ideas, the main principles of how we are going to treat money and money market in this course. Many things that I'm going to say you probably is already known for you, but for those who doesn't have a good background in macroeconomics, I think it's going to be very helpful. On the other hand, we all will have the same knowledge, and so we can continue further. The first question is about monetary economics. There are different approaches towards economy, and there are different schools in economics. The one which we are going to present here in this course is monetary economics, is when we aim to explain the movements in the economy, looking at the changes of monetary policy or changes in the money market. So answering or looking for the definition of a monetary economics, we can find that monetary economics is the economics of money supply, prices, and interest rates, and their repercussions on the economy. So monetary economics analyzes the effects of money market on economy. Usually it analyzes not only on the money market, but also on other financial markets like bonds market, stocks market, and etc. As all this might be the, the substitution of money. What do you think? Is monetary economics micro or macro? As you know, economics in general is grouped into two groups, whether it's micro or macro economics or field. What do you think about monetary economics? Probably, as we already stated in the name of this course, we say it's macroeconomics and monetary policy. So the first idea is to treat monetary economics as a macroeconomics field, as a field in macroeconomics. But honestly, monetary economics is both. It's micro and macro at the same time. As in macroeconomics, we have again consumers and companies, we have people who participates, and so who creates the economy. So we already have the understanding or the idea what the course is about and what approach towards economy we are going to take here. The other thing I want to remind you is the functions of money. I know that most of students have learned this before. And this is very important to understand what functions money plays in the economy. So we could say in more details the importance of money. So what functions of money do you know? In other words, why do we have money? The first one, which comes into heads, is probably the medium of exchange. In general, money was created to help people to exchange goods and services. So it serves as intermediary for exchange. Also, money has other three very important functions. It is store of value, which means that we use money to accumulate the value for savings in order to be able to make future payments. Also, money plays a function of standard of deferred payments, and they also serve as a unit of account, as we do much of accounting, or actually all the accounting in monetary terms. So money plays not only one, but four functions in the economy. It would be very difficult to realize our lives without money today. And the last thing to remember is the definitions of money. Maybe you remember that we have, but all the money in the economy is classified according to the liquidity. And if you look for the statistics of how much money there is in the economy, you would find few measures. You would find M0, M1, M2, M3, and maybe sometimes M4 as well. So those groupings are actually different definitions of what exactly we mean by saying money. First of all, I should mention narrow definition of money, which is M1, and this is something probably that comes to our heads first of all, that when we say money, we talk about currency that circulates in the economy. That is all the banknotes and coins that we have in the economy. So this is quantity of money. This is a narrow understanding or narrow definition of money. Sometimes when we talk about the quantity of money in the economy, we also add near monies. Near monies is funds which could be easily withdrawn. This is, let's say, money that we have in a checkable or debit cards. So it's not actually, we don't have banknotes and coins in our pockets. We have a, let's say, debit card, but we can do the payments and also withdraw money easily. The third definition of money would be a broad definition of money, which might be M2, which means it's the sum of currency in the hands of public, but also public's deposits in commercial banks. So M2, that broad definition of money, includes the narrow definition of money. So it includes currency into circulation, but it also sums up all the deposits in the commercial banks. So because anyway, at some time, if a person needs money, he or she can withdraw them and use for making payments. This is also called Friedman's definition of money, according to the name of economists who define it and who took this understanding on the money for the first time.